Hey, what's going on, everyone? Todd G here. And in this case study, she was fired after 19 years with no plan B while at the hospital. Digital Growth Community Review and Bonuses video. I'm going to show you how a hardworking wife suddenly finds herself jobless while at the hospital with no plan B, and how she took a chance with the Digital Growth Community and Legacy Builders Review and where she's at today. And also show you how people from all walks of life are showing up and winning with the Digital Growth Community and Legacy Builders program. But first, I would appreciate it if you click that subscribe button below and hit that thumbs up icon below to like this video. If you stick around till the end, I'm going to show you how your way out if you are struggling like this hardworking jobless wife was with daily pay sit directly to you and your account. Okay, without further ado, here's this hardworking wife's story.
Hey, thank you.
Yeah, I mean, after 19 years, I was at the hospital actually with my husband having some tests on his heart. And I got a phone call from corporate that said my position had been eliminated. They'd let go 25% of our company. And my boss was crying her eyes out. So my husband looked at me and said, "What are you going to do? You know, how are you going to make a living?" And I said, "You know what? I'm not worried. I have $300 in my bank account this morning when I woke up. So I have a backup plan. I don't have to worry." So we came home and took down my equipment from my corporate position because I was a remote worker for the last 3 years, you know, since the C word hit. I had been working at home, and within an hour, I had my new office set up with dual monitors, and he says, "Go in there and make me some money, honey." So I lost my job February 29th. In March, I had an $8,100 month. This month, so far, I'm at $7,400.
Oh my goodness, that is awesome.
Yeah, so I've made over $15,000 since I lost my job on February 29th, guys. This is real. This is a real opportunity for you, and I don't care how old you are, how much you think you're technically dumb. You can do this because I promise you there is help to get you through the technical part, and it is not that hard. We have literal step-by-step videos. I'm proud to say that I did every bit of it by myself, even though my husband is a technical genius. Both times, the first products I had, and with this new legacy building program, and guys, I'm telling you, it is even easier than it has ever been to set up in only a couple of hours. It only takes a couple of hours, guys, to get this done. And you can be earning while you're learning. If you could do that in college, imagine how much money you'd make before college was over. But with this program, you can, and you get to learn from a marketing genius. I want to tell you, Michelle's not going to toot her own horn, but I'm going to do it for her. We had one of the Legacy Builder calls Tuesday, guys. Tuesday, we had our first Legacy Builder call, and that is our $900 program. It is live and interactive on all the trainings. This lady sat in her seat. This is a millionaire. Think about that. For 5 hours and listened to every one of us and answered every one of our questions. You will not find that anywhere else. She did that on her own time. She didn't make a dime for that. She doesn't get any money for mentoring us, guys. She does it because she wants to help people succeed. You can do this, but you have to want to do it. If you want to do it, you can do it. So we're here to help you. All you have to do is click those buttons. You're just a few clicks away from your destiny, guys. I'm telling you, give it a shot.
That's pretty awesome and pretty powerful. And it's not just Mathia that is finding freedom and finding her plan B. People are posting their success stories every single day inside the Digital Growth Community. Okay, here we are inside the Digital Growth Community School group. Now, under the community, there's a category here called wins. Let's go ahead and click on that. All right, 28 minutes ago, Emily, a random $900 sale puts me at almost $14K earned. Shirley, 21 hours ago, ding, $600 sale. Anyini, oh my God, just had a $1,000 day. That's 5 days ago. Yashika, 11 minutes ago, $400. Jim, 2 hours ago, my first sale, $900 while on the webinar. Oh man, here we go. I made my first sale while I was on the webinar. Let's go. Tammy here, 5 hours ago. I feel good. I knew that I would ding $900. I just got the ding on my phone from my live yesterday. Michael, 4 days ago. He's looking for more YouTube subscribers. Trisha, huge shout out to Michelle, who helped me more than she'll know. All right, it happened. Daria, 9 hours ago. I've seen countless I woke up to posts, and it happened to me finally. Extra hundo to start the weekend. Angela, 23 minutes ago. One win. Wow, had a bit of a slow start, but finally got up and running this week, and I've been following to the T my first $900 sale. Ben, 7 hours ago, just hit 9K for April. Valerie, 1 day ago, $300 sale whilst on the phone. 20 hours ago, Victoria, he is home and I hit 70K for April alone. Hallelujah. Kelsey, 2 hours ago, $300 ding and upgrade to Legacy. Ramona, 4 hours ago, a $900 ding ding. Let's look at Marcia, 1 hour ago, month of April, 14,300. 21 hours ago, Lanisha, oh my God, you guys, I got my first sale. I am beyond excited and happy. Tracy, 4 hours ago, congratulations to Jackie. Jackie upgraded with me last night, made her first $900 sale just hours later. Emma, 47 minutes ago, $11,100 in 26 days. Pinch me. Daryl, 18 hours ago, hit 29K for April. Shara, 4 hours ago, $413 already in the morning by 9 a.m. Cha-ching, 3 hours ago, Mary Beth woke up to another $900 this morning. Daniela, first sale 16 hours ago. I just finished setting up my Freedom Machine today and I already got my first $100 sale. So I could go on and on here. I could scroll forever, but as you can see, people from all walks of life are making sales here and winning inside the digital growth community.
Okay, that's it for this case study. She was fired after 19 years with no plan B while at the hospital. Digital Growth Community Review and bonuses video. If you want to learn more about the Digital Growth Community and Legacy Builders Review Program, you can see all of the resources and links below this video in the description below, including a complete playlist that shows you everything about the Digital Growth Community Reviews and Legacy Builder Program Reviews. Take care, and I will see you in the next video.